Hi everyone! In this video, we will cover adding additional information to an EventUp listing to give a closer look into a venue. Under the Closer Look section of my EventUp listing, I have access to 4 additional fields that are not required but are highly useful for event planners when viewing venues. As a best practice, it's good to take advantage of these fields and fill them out. The Closer Look fields are reviews, videos, frequently asked questions, and floor plans. I'm going to start by filling out some frequently asked questions about my venue. To add frequently asked questions I receive about my venue, I can click Add FAQs and copy over any questions from my main website to help answer as many as I can during the browsing phase for event planners. If there are no common FAQs, now would be the perfect time to establish them. Event planners typically ask questions regarding guest counts, rentals and vendors, food and beverage, policies and procedures, and some other miscellaneous questions about amenities like staffing, parking, or sleeping rooms. It is a good practice to have a few questions readily available to save time when looking at a venue. Another valuable tool for event planners is floor plans, especially for larger events or corporate functions. The planners can start to visualize the setup within the space and plan out the flow of the event. Here, I can upload an image or PDF file of any available floor plans. Even if I do not have any professional plans created, I can quickly create simple plans in free graphic tools that will still give planners an idea of the overall layout and available space they have to work with. For the Porcupine and Bear test listing, I created a mock-up of a floor plan in Canva, the free graphics design tool. Here, I can add reviews from Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Reviews are great to include in the listing to help increase search engine optimization. For Google and Yelp, I will need to grab the review ID from my designated account and copy it over to the EventUp portal. EventUp will automatically pull in the review. For Facebook, I can grab the embed code again from any reviews I want to share in my EventUp listing. Reviews can be found on the Review tab of the Venue business page. Facebook reviews need to be added individually, unlike Google and Yelp. Adding videos of venue tours, ads, an overview of the venue, customer testimonials, or footage from live events visually lets planners see the venue in action. Copy and paste the video embed tag from wherever the video is hosted. YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram are examples of sites that have embedded codes that can be used. I have taken an embed tag from YouTube for the Porcupine and Bear listing. On YouTube, select Share, then Embed. Copy and paste the entire iframe code into the EventUp portal so the video loads correctly. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@eventup.com for one of our EventUp experts to assist you in any way.